So if you guys decide that you want to do a custom cover that will help you create, this is the screen that you're going to see. We come in with our computer, and this software is called InDesign, and this screen represents both the front and back lid of your cover. So just picture opening the yearbook and then flipping it on its side. So the right hand side is the front and the left hand side is the back. So hopefully when we come in, you're going to have some idea of what you want. So let's say you know for sure that you want a dark blue background because dark blue is one of your school colors. I went ahead and I already drew a background box for us. So I'm going to go ahead, and these are all the colors that we can choose from. And let's say that you've decided you really like this color. And then you see it on the screen and you think, no, I want the darker one, then we can change that. So there, our background is all set. We can also do cool things with the background. We can do a gradient. So this is just an example of what a gradient can be like. We can do it horizontally or vertically. You can make it darker or lighter. So there's just one idea. Let's say you know for sure that you want your school mascot on the cover or some type of logo that has to do with your school or your theme. Normally that's going to be something that you're going to provide us with, your school logo, just because of copyright issues, but maybe we have something in our logos that kind of matches what you're looking for, in which case you're welcome to use one of our logos. So we're just going to use this one. This is the Knights mascot just for today. We're just going to flip it so that it's facing the other way real quick. So we're going to flip horizontally so that this way, now it's on the front cover and it's facing off the front cover. So it's facing into the book. Just graphically, we want things facing in the direction that we want the reader to go. And from here, we can make it really small, we can make it really big, whatever you guys want to do, whatever your preference is. Okay, and then let's say that you know for sure that you want the year and your school name on the front cover. So we're going to go up here and we're going to draw a text box. We're going to make the font big just so we can see what we're working with. And we're going to write 2014, and let's do Francis Raub Middle School. Let's say your colors are blue and yellow. So we want that lettering to be in a yellow color. So we'll go down, we'll use bright yellow for now. You see it. If you don't like it, we can change it, and if you do like it, we'll keep it. We're going to go ahead and make the school year really big, and we're going to keep the school name relatively small. We're going to align that right. Let's say you guys want that over there. If you guys want that in a different place, we'll move it wherever you want. Say we want the 14 really big, just to give it to use our text as a graphic element in and of itself. Let's say you like it big, but you don't like how far apart those two numbers are. Then we can go in and we will make them closer together. And we'll make them even taller to make it really stand out. And we'll also go ahead and make it bold. Okay, and let's say that in addition to the text and your mascot, you also just want to draw some lines so that you have a graphic that can run throughout your book. So we're just going to draw a line. We're going to change the stroke to make it a little thicker for you so you can see it. You can pick exactly how thick you want that to be. We're going to go to swatches. And let's say you guys want it white, so we'll make it white for now. Okay. So there's our line. We'll copy and paste it just to get another one going. And then let's say you want to do a vertical one as well, so we'll go ahead and we'll change the direction. And we'll put one over here. And then we'll copy this guy, and that way one will be on the back cover as well. And this is also the type of graphic element that you'll be able to pull throughout your entire book, something like a line or a dot or just a small shape, something that you could put on multiple pages just to make your cover and your book look a little more cohesive. Okay, So that is just an example of one of the covers that we could create together. It's nice because you get to choose the font, the colors, the graphic elements, exactly how large things are, how small things are. This is a pretty simple one. We could do, a completely different one. This is just an example of one of the things that we could create together. So I hope this helps you guys make your decision of whether or not you'd like to do the custom cover.